Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you guys can see, I'm in my front porch. Well, it's not my front porch. A lot of you guys don't know I do rent an apartment and a private house on the first floor. So guys, I'm going to be taking part in the Refresh Porch collaboration. Um, this is hosted by a group of lovely ladies, which the main host is at Penny's Place, Buckeye Girls Written Things, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa, COWARD. I cannot pronounce that. I don't want to butcher it. Mary Precious Joan Huntsville and Marlene's How To. Guys, so as you guys can see, I'm gonna bring you guys close. This is the main entrance of the house, which this is the door to go to the second floor. My landlord lives upstairs, and this is where I live on the first floor. So, guys, I'm going to be cleaning my windowsill. I wish I could paint, but since it's not my house, I am not allowed to do that. So I'm going to sweep, mop, clean some walls like I do every summer. So I figure why not take part in a collaboration. And I'm going to bring all my house plants. I usually keep them out for the summer, as you guys can see. Oh, and I have these 2 flower pots that my husband got me. They were dying, so I brought them back. So hopefully they'll last for a while. That one over there, of course, died. That was a tulip. You guys know the tulips don't last. So I'm going to be putting that outside so it could come back next year. So guys, yeah, and this set of porch, I ordered some cushion. They didn't come on time for this collaboration, but this said it was a gift from when I retired from my old job, from my boss. So guys, I'm gonna pause here. I'm gonna get sweeping, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna bring you guys with some progress. Well, guys, I'm already out here. I have my cleaning solution, and sorry about the music. I know. Hopefully, I won't get a copy strike. I'm using a old rag that you don't need to use back inside your house. This is why I save my kitchen, old kitchen rag. So I do it for this. So I like to wipe some of the walls, because when it's winter, you know, the walls sweat and they get so dirty. The windows, I don't take out the windows to clean, because like I said, those are going to be power washed from the outside. So what I do is I just change the shade, and what you call it? You know, I change the screen up and down, and that's how I clean my windows, and then the outside they do power wash. So guys, I'm gonna pause you right there, just in case another car comes with music. I don't want to get a copy strike, even though I don't have the right to the music. But I live in a main road, and sometimes the cars go by with their music blasting. So I'm gonna pause you guys right there. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna bring you guys right back. Right now, I'm sweeping. I finished with the walls. Guys, there's so much dust. My allergies are starting to act up. Oh my goodness. And it's a coat of like a green, yellow coating on my table. And let me tell you, my throat is already itchy. But don't worry, guys. I already took my allergy medicine. So it will work faster, because I don't take it every day. It's usually, I gotta take it when my throat start itching, because I don't want my throat to close. Yeah. And that's one of the reasons why when I went inside, Apollo, my servant, just started barking at me. He noticed. He knows things faster than I do. That's why I do have him. But I'm back, guys. I'm okay. So I'm just gonna finish this right here. I'm gonna scrub the floor and then I'm gonna mop it. Then I'm gonna show you the end results. Well, guys, I have to say I'm exhausted. I cleaned all the chairs, I sanitized everything. I went around with a second mop with a little bit of ammonia to just kill whatever spiders, there any little bugs and creepy crawlers that might crawl up here. I started taking out my plants. As you guys can see, my plants need a lot of sunlight because, you know, scooping the house, I only have 2 main windows on this side, and that's where the really the sunlight comes in. But yeah, I got them out. This is nothing. When you guys see all my plants out here, you guys gonna think like, wow, I love plants. And all my plants there, I have them for over, wow, maybe 10 years. So during almost the end of the winter season, it's like they're starting to like, we want to be outside. So like last night, it dropped to 40. So it's crazy. So at the evening time, I'm gonna start closing the window if the temperature is gonna drop like that. But all my plants are tropical plants. They are blooming. I'm gonna bring them all out. Then I'm gonna bring you guys back, and then we're gonna sit here and have a cup of iced coffee because I do need it. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Well, guys, you think I'm done bringing out plants? I'm out of breath. They even got plants in this corner as well. See? Do you guys think I'm done? Nah, not a chance. All right. Let's see how many plants come out of the house. Let's continue. Well, guys, welcome back. I am done. This is my from Porch refresh. So you guys can see all the way around. I have plants everywhere. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plants. Yeah, guys, this is the plants that I keep in my house, and they have moved as I move. I said the tulip plant is new, but I read about that and they don't last long. So guys, this is a cactus that I got last year from my husband for Mother's Day. This little bamboo here was a tiny little thing like this, and this one have babies. As you guys can see, there's two. As you guys can see, there's 2 in there. So I separate them, and those are the babies. And the babies have gotten bigger than the mom because they're in water, and there are a couple of in there too. Well, guys, this is my from Porch refresh. I want to say to the hostess, thank you, ladies, for hosting this collaboration. And you know what? I was not motivated to do this, but doing this video motivated me, so I had to get done, and finally I did it. But yeah, guys, nighttime has been dropping. So guys, I'm hot, so I'm gonna have my iced coffee, and I'm gonna have a piece of cake because I've been burning a lot of calories and I have not even eaten breakfast yet, and it's about to be 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat that, then I'm gonna make dinner for when my husband gets home. Guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.